Okay guys, here we go with Greatest Hits 2018. I've been quite impressed with these this year, gone back to having multiple hits, which is a good thing. And need to go through the teams. So there were a few trades. So Sam has the Chargers, Luke has the Cardinals, Angus has the Broncos. I traded for the Texans, Gary has the Ravens, and he traded for the Eagles. I traded for the Bucks and the Colts. James traded for the Lions. Ewan traded for the Redskins. I traded for the Steelers. Brian has the Bengals. Dan traded for the Giants. Luke has the Browns. Brian traded for the Saints. Ryan has the Patriots. Alan the Bills. I have the Packers. Ben traded for the Jags. Richard traded for the Dolphins. Angus has the Panthers. Sam the Bears. Reese has the Raiders and Cowboys. Philip has the 49ers. Brian traded for the Titans. Luke has the Rams. Brian has the Falcons. Clive has the Jets. Alan traded for the Chiefs and also the Vikings. And at the bottom I have the Seahawks. So those are the teams. We will dive into another one of these. I do enjoy breaking these open. Usually pretty big cards for the most part in there, so it is fun to see. Okay, so here we go. Right, so greatest hits. So on the top we have our rookie, and it is Sony Michel for the Patriots. That one's numbered to 60 for the Patriots. Okay, so hit number 1. That is nice. Okay, let me just check the teams. Very nice. Okay, so first hit is going to the Rams. Kurt Warner, National Treasures autograph jersey, numbered to 25. That is a very nice card. National Treasures, on-card autograph, Kurt Warner. The Rams are with Luke. So that one is going to Luke. So well done, Luke. Nice Rams hit for you. Very nice card, that one. Next up is... Okay. The next one up is Adrian Peterson. Adrian Peterson, Immaculate Collegiate. Another on-card autograph. Very nice looking card again. Adrian Peterson. Is our next one. So 2017 for Peterson. Next we have, okay, next one is going to be Dak Prescott, Black Gold collegiate sizable signatures for 25. Dak Prescott. There you go, nice Dak Prescott. Next one out. Okay, the college one's prominent in here, and our last one. Okay, our last one is a graded card. And it's not autographed, it's a graded rookie. It is a Peyton Manning Topps Chrome 1998 PSA Gem Mint 10. Peyton Manning Topps Chrome Gem Mint 10 rookie from PSA. Very young looking there. So there you go. Those are our 4 hits. There's the Manning, the Dak Prescott, the Adrian Peterson, and the Kurt Warner. And our base rookie was the Sony Michel. So there you go, guys. Greatest hits. Another one of those done. Like I say, I'm quite impressed with those. Decent value there. And congratulations to those who won. Thanks very much.